Big and shiny brown, looks like a small brown deer.
Good morning. It is 5:51 a.m. Both Jeremy and I have our campers all packed up thanks to some help from the girls and mom. And we're ready to hook up and head on down to Grand Tetons. See you in a bit. We got our spots at Grove Ven Campground, and we were lucky enough to get right next to each other. And we are taking a break to cook some breakfast because we got up at 5 this morning and was out of Grant Village by 6:01. We got our spot here at 7:48, 8:48. 8:48. So we're having pancakes and bacon for breakfast. Signed up to do a river float with Triangle X, and we just finished eating an amazing supper. Steak, chicken, baked beans, corn, roll, dessert, cobbler. And we're just waiting on people to finish eating up so that we can get into the water.
I don't know. Maybe mental.
You ask questions when you're not there.
Tell me about 12 people on this raft other than me. Patrick's Cathedral in New York City. Many spires, many pinnacles. Big and shiny brown, looks like a small brown deer. And I could yell at it and it wouldn't do anything. 'Cause you're so beautiful.
We just finished our river float trip through Triangle X rafting, and Matt was our guide, and he was so awesome. He remembered all of our names right away. He pointed out all of this wildlife. He was really interesting to listen to and really fun. What'd you think, Grace?
It was good.
Angel?
I really liked it, especially the beavers and the geese.
Jeremy, what was your favorite?
Probably all the beavers. Well, actually the eagles. I like the eagles.
Yeah. All right, we are packed up and ready to leave the Grove Ven campsite. Jeremy's camper is all packed up and hitched up too. We just finished getting mine hitched up. So, girls, Angel, what's your favorite part of this trip?
Probably just the whole raft ride thing that we did.
Okay.
It was pretty cool.
Mom?
Watching the beavers.
Which we're at?
Grand Teton.
The raft ride.
Raft ride.
Gracie Lou?
I liked watching Old Faithful at night and the raft ride.
Okay. Jeremy, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Animals, I'd have to say either all the beavers and the eagles last night for a view. I'm gonna have to go with the Grand Teton. That was a pretty cool view.
Yeah. My favorite is still the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. It's so huge, and it's always gonna be my favorite. All right, let's head out. Yay. stopped at a random scenic overlook on the way home. This is Black Mountain area. Awesome scenic overlook. And as you can see, it's just huge. We stopped at Laramie at the Holiday Inn, and we're getting ready to go to the pool. It is relaxing time, finally. Morning. It is 10 o'clock Mountain Time, and we are just leaving Laramie. We had a good sleep at our hotel, got to play in the pool and relax some. Ate breakfast this morning at Perkins, the restaurant that was attached to the Holiday Inn, and looking forward to 7 hours until home. Parallel parking 2 campers was not easy, but we did it just so that we could get something to eat. Well, we're home. Have the pickup or black all unpacked. The camper's gonna wait till tomorrow because I'm just tired, and this is the result of camping travels. It's mud and bugs. You know, if you drive, let's see, today we put in over 500 miles in total. I don't even know how many miles in total. I'll have to tell you in the next video. But we had a really great trip, and I hope we can help somebody out with our trip planning and our travels. And I hope you take a trip to Yellowstone and enjoy it as much as we did.